Now we'll start with water bath. You have to understand some of the minimal things which will be there in our laboratory, right? So in that the basic thing is water bath. So water bath is a laboratory equipment made from a container filled with heated water. It is used to incubate samples in water at a constant temperature. So this is the just a diagram, or what do you call, the picture of the water bath. So water bath is used to heat the reaction mixture for a specific period of time. So for a particular period of time you are going to heat the mixture. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟೇ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾತ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಔಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾತ್ನ ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಔಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್. ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ water bath. It is electrically heated with thermostat temperature regulator. So what it is going to do, it is an electrically heated water thermostat temperature regulator. It can maintain the temperature between 37 to 100 degrees Celsius depending upon the experiment. So different experiments will be there which has to maintain the different temperature, right? So depending upon the temperature we can adjust the temperature from 37 to 100 degree Celsius. Temperature can be regulated by a knob. There is a knob over here, so by which you are able to change or regulate the temperature how much you want. It is a double walled metallic chamber. It is a double walled metallic chamber. The space between the walls is filled with insulated materials such as asbestos. So there will be a space between the insulating material. That material is nothing but the asbestos, because we are using this insulated material because it is an electrically heated instrument, right? So only we are using this insulator so that we will not get any electric shock. It is a bad conductor, insulators, right? So heating coil arrangement is fitted at the bottom. So where does this heating coil arrangement is done? This is done at the bottom of this water bath. So upper side has a movable lid. At the top we have a movable lid, movable perforated trays. We have certain trays like this where you can drag like this and draw like this, right? So in the upper part we have perforated trays is available which is movable, and also for placing the material. So it will be like your drawers in your study table, or it will be like the drawers which will be present in your refrigerator, right? So when you open the refrigerator, if you want to drag something, there will be a box like this, you will drag like this, right? So in the same way this will also be having the perforated trays at the top of the instrument, and it is fixed with thermometer to record the temperature. At the top of this we have a thermometer which is going to measure the temperature of that material. So there are different types and sizes of water bath. So what are there? There we can find different types of water bath, and which are suit the requirement of different laboratories. Depending upon the different laboratories and also the different experiments, we are going to arrange whatever we want. So this is about the details of water bath. So next we will move to the uses of water bath. It provides indirect heat. What it is going to provide? It is not providing the direct heat. It is like a water bath. Water bath is the indirect heat. Directly you are not heating that substance. Something water will be heated up. Upon that you are keeping that. So used for warming blood bag blood. So in the blood bag there will be blood. So to warm that we are using this water bath. And also it is used for incubation of tests such as PT, APIT and COMTS test. Okay, these are all the different types of tests which we are going to perform, so that where in that experiment or in that performance we are going to use this water bath. This is about the uses of water bath. Next is care of water bath. Maintain the minimum level with chemically pure water. So what you are going to do, you have to maintain the minimum level with chemically pure water. Pure water you are going to use here. Do not use tap water, which will cause salt deposit and corrosion and affect the function. You are not using the tap water which you normally get in your tap. You are using the pure form of water. It may be distilled water. Okay, pure water is distilled water. Always use a thermometer to check the temperature accurately. So you are using this thermometer in order to measure the accuracy or the accurate temperature of that particular mixture. And also it is advisable to cover tubes, flasks or plates during incubation to avoid contamination of the bath and also to condensation. So empty and clean the water bath regularly. You are going to empty the water bath and you are going to clean it regularly. And also next is maintenance of this water bath. What all you have to do in order to maintain this water bath? So first, turn off the water bath overnight. So you are going to turn off, you are going to switch off the water bath overnight during the night when it is not in use and not in use. The bath is not to be used for some time. It should be emptied, cleaned and kept dry. So if you are not going to use this water bath for a long period of time, then what you have to do? You have to empty it, clean it and dry it up. So in general, baths should be cleaned with a mild household or laboratory detergent using a sponge. So what you are going to do? You are going to clean this water bath by using mild detergent which we are using at our home or also in the laboratory. Such detergents should be used by the help to clean this water bath with the help of the sponge or a soft cloth. Souring powder should be used. Souring powder is nothing but the powder which is going to give you the brightness or the shining look. Okay, so that type of powder or the detergent should be used in order to clean this water bath. This is about the water bath. Thank you.